And reminds us of the wildfire risk that we have. Even though we got some recent rain, that risk will still return here.
We're going to get hot very quickly this week. So we're going to go from the 60s all the way up to 90 degrees by the time we get to Thursday. So that is a big change on the way. And when we have a rapid warm up like that, the concern is we're going to dry out all that moisture that does exist. Some areas more at risk than others. So we're carefully watching Central Oregon for a significant fire potential, putting that area in the moderate risk. Fire weather danger, we're looking at all the numbers and we like to stay out of the extreme category. Now, as we get warmer each day, the good news is we're not going to see any extreme wind events. So places like Pendleton will be right smack in the middle between minimal and extreme. You can see that out there representing that number 4 right there. But for Western Oregon and Washington, not seeing anything significant happening, due in part to the fact that we are out of drought conditions for Oregon. At best, we're abnormally dry, but it doesn't take much, just a couple of days with warmer than normal temperatures, a good 20 degrees above normal, to put us in the moderate category for fire danger. Areas that we're looking at closely again here, Central Oregon and portions of eastern Washington out towards Spokane. This takes us out to Saturday. So that's a fire outlook for Saturday, and that's after 3 to 4 days with temperatures being well above normal. This was the scene, though, over the weekend. So interesting to talk about fire danger after we've seen some temperatures well below our seasonal normals. This was up in Mount Hood Meadows where we had snow accumulations, and up at places like Timberline. Timberline picked up 7 inches of snow over the weekend. Scan the QR code on your screen if you'd like to send us any unusual weather photos like snow happening here in June. Well, it kind of felt like April today. Our daytime high, we managed to max out at 66. But for most of the day, we were actually sitting at 62, which is a normal daytime high for the month of April in Portland. A live look outside right now. Some of those clouds starting to break away. 57. Wind out of the north at 5. Temperatures overnight drop down to the low 50s. So your planner for tomorrow, you wake up to some sunshine, lower 50s, lunchtime at 63, mostly sunny, and tomorrow's highs in the mid 70s. Weather pattern that we're in right now. So over the weekend, here's that cool trough of low pressure right there. That's moving on out. High pressure is taking over. This leads us into the middle of the week, and then the first day of summer is on Thursday. That ridge stays with us, but then another trough of low pressure is right on its heels, saying, you know what, I'm going to push you out of the way and I'm going to bring you some more cool weather with the possibility of some rain. This is what it looks like on Futurecast. Moving those clouds out for the middle of the week, end of the week, we start warming up, and then look at what happens as soon as we get past that nice sunny weather. We get to Saturday, leading us into Sunday with that next trough approaching. And right now, models trying to put rain in the forecast for us on Sunday. We'll see how that goes. We're still several days away. 7-day forecast puts us at 85 by Wednesday, 90 by Thursday. We don't stay in the 90s too long. Saturday back to 85, and then Sunday, Monday, mid 70s.
Yeah, today was, near sweater weather. No more of that in sight.
Yeah.
Thanks, Natasha.
Basketball making news in sports.